Hey everyone, in this video we'll talk about canceling your subscription with Epidemic Sound. In order to do so, here we are starting at epidemicsound.com and we are looking at the account page, which can be found by clicking on the three lines here and then selecting account. However, if we are on this page, you are not going to see any information related to subscriptions. Essentially, Epidemic Sound is locked behind a subscription wall, and the only way to get past it is to start a 30-day free trial, which is going to request your credit card information. So you cannot start with Epidemic Sound at all unless you're willing to put in your credit card. So that's just something to keep in mind once you get going here. If you want to start the free trial, by all means, you can do so. And then from there, if you are interested in canceling your subscription, by looking at the knowledge base, I was able to discover that if you go to the account page, when you have a subscription, let's go ahead and take a look at that. So when we're on the account page here, according to the knowledge base, you should see some additional options here, and one of those options should be subscriptions. So if we take a look at this guide here, then you will see that you should see subscriptions, profile, preferences, clear videos, and licenses. And then under the subscription plan that you are subscribed to, you should see the option to upgrade, change billing information. I expect it's a little bit covered up there. And then the third option there is to cancel your subscription. So once you have the subscription set up, then you should have your subscription information there, and you should see the option to cancel your subscription. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.